Welcome to the third tutorial of electrical estimation. In the second tutorial, we learned about the layout of construction drawings. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the functionality of Plan Swift. There are many other software in the market like STCOM, TurboBid, Stack, and Countfire, etc. You can use any of these. The basic functionality of all these software is the same. Let's move to Plan Swift. So we have two files here. One is the construction drawings that we had a look at in the last tutorial. Second is the icon for Plan Swift. We will generate another file here that would be the Excel sheet where we will add quantities from Plan Swift and complete our estimate. So let's open Plan Swift, upload construction drawings on it and start working. This is what Plan Swift looks like without uploading construction drawings. Now we will upload construction drawings. Click on New. This tab appears up, a new job. It has two portions. One is for job number and second is for job description. It is our first job as training. So we will write here one and write training here. Then we will add the name of this project here in the description. This job number and description is necessary to differentiate this project from other projects. Because when you close Plan Swift and reopen it, there will be multiple jobs. So the name of our project is Club Corp. We will write here Club Corp. Here you will see an other tab. This is local. This is where the Plan Swift file will be saved. Here is another tab for measurements. It is English, or you can convert it to metric as well. We will use English. Click on next. So this is where our project is placed. Here it is shown. Click the checkbox, then click on next. So here are some other factors which you can adjust according to your needs. There is DPI for the construction drawings. Here is the color that you can change if you want to. Some other factors are also shown. These are not much related to our drawings, so we will click on next. Here are some other tabs. You can attach a file to this project. Click on add and attach. We don't need to attach any file at this moment, so we will click on next, and then our description writing is done. We will click on finish. So the uploading has started. The construction drawings will be uploaded on Plan Swift. This job is a little bigger. It has 90 drawings, so it will take some extra time to upload. We will skip this portion and will move to the uploaded Plan Swift files. The drawings have been uploaded, and this is what Plan Swift looks like now. The commands have been turned active. Earlier, these were inactive when the drawings were not uploaded. It has two main screens. One shows the drawing, and other shows all the pages that have been uploaded. As you can see here, it is total of 19 pages. We have already used this command new. Whenever you want to upload a new project to Plan Swift, you will click here, and beside new there is an open command. If you have multiple projects uploaded in your Plan Swift, you can click here and open any of those projects. Then there is print command. If you want to print any page or the complete project, you can select all, and all the pages will be selected and you can print complete project. Then there is an email job command. If you want to email this project to any of your friend or any other person, you can email from here. After that, there are back and forward options. Let's say we are on this drawing and we move forward to this drawing. Then we want to move backward to the first drawing. We will click here and it will take us back to that drawing. Then there are zoom in and zoom out commands. Like if you want to zoom in, you will click here. If you want to zoom out, you will click here. Then there is a cursor change command. If you want to use this hand, you will click here. Then there is scale command. This is very important command. Your whole estimation will be based on this command. Use this command wrong. If you set a wrong scale, your estimation will not be correct and you will have to do it again. You will have to set the scale right again. Then there is dimension. Once you have set the scale, you can measure the dimension of any part, or you can measure the dimension of any wall or floor or ceiling. Then there is an area command. If you want to measure the area of a floor or wall or ceiling, you can use this command. Mostly this command is not used in electrical takeoffs. But if you need the area of a job or a project, you can use this command. Then there are linear, segment, and count commands. If you want to measure the length, or in case of electrical, if you want to measure the length of a conduit, you can use the linear command, segment command, and then count command. Count command is used to count the devices, uh, i.e., lighting fixtures or low voltage devices or duplex receptacles or anything else. Then there is send data command. After that, there is a note option. If you want to add a note to a specific page, you can click here. After you click here, you will do this and this bar will appear up. Here you will write your note. Like I write here note 1. Okay, note is added. You can adjust its size, it's very small, but you can fix it. We will learn it in upcoming drawings. Then there is overlay and highlighter and image commands. You can add an image to your drawing from outside. You will click here and upload the image. Then this highlighter command is also very important if you use it right. Like if you have done the takeoff for a specific item, you can highlight that item. When you will move forward and do other drawings and you come back to the that highlighted drawing, it will be automatically in your mind that you have taken this item off. Now that we are familiar with all the commands on home page, we will look at some other commands. If we click on page, some more commands show up. These all these commands are related to page settings. Like if you see the first, it is for add pages. If you want to add more drawings to this already uploaded project, you can click here on add pages. Then clicking next, you can upload these new pages. Then there is rename pages command. If you want to rename these pages, you can click here and then name all these pages based on drawing numbers. We will rename these pages in the upcoming tutorials, but for now we are just getting familiar with these commands. Then there is add pages from plan room command. If you want to add a blank page to this project, you can click on this command, and then by clicking next you can upload a blank page. Then there is rotate left command, rotate right command. If you want to rotate these pages, you can use these rotate left, rotate right, or rotate 180-degree commands. If you want to rotate multiple pages, you can use this batch rotate pages command. Then there is flip vertically and flip horizontally command. Then there is invert command. If you want to invert your page, you can select this command. Then there is a crop as new page command. If you want to crop a specific part of your drawing, you will click here and select that part, and it will be generated as a new page. You can name it. You can name this new page, and it will be added to your already uploaded pages list. Then there is set origin or set origin and close page commands. If you want to close this page, you will click on close page. After that, we are done with page commands. We will move to other. So the first command appears to be pitch. If you want to measure the pitch or angle of any wall or any other dimension, you will click here. You will draw the line and it will show the pitch and angle. Then there is triangulate command. To use this command, you need to scale this first. You need to scale the page first, and then you can use this command. Then there is PDF to TIF converter command, CPC to TIF converter command. Then there is download to mobile device command. If you want this job to be downloaded in your mobile, you can use this command. But first you will have to set a path. If you haven't set a path, this error will show up. Then there is zip Swift job. If you want this job to zip and if you want this job to move into a zip folder, you can use this command, unzip Swift job command. If you want to attach an Excel sheet to this plan Swift file, you can click here. If you want an Excel sheet to be opened on this plan Swift job, you can use this command. Then there is a save screenshot command. This is another important command. If you want to make a screenshot of a page or an item that you have taken off, or if any client of yours asks you to show him where did you get this quantity from, you can use this screenshot command, make a screenshot of that page and show it to your client. After that, there is view bar. If you click here, you will see the different commands. This bar is for viewing what you have done on this project and what you have taken off. You can view it here. Like the first tab says, show labels. If you have labeled multiple items, you will click here and all the labeled items will show up. Then there is hide label command. Then there is show digitizer items. You have digitized items. You can click here and those items will show up. Then there is hide digitizer items. Show overlays. If you have edit overlays, you can click here and they will show up. Then there is show dimensions command. Then there is show nodes command. If you have added multiple nodes, you will click here and all those nodes will appear up. Then there are some adjust commands. After that, we move to estimating bar. Here you will see some already created templates. You can add some, you can use these already created templates, or you can add some new templates and make your own. Then there is lists bar. After that, templates. Then there are settings. You can change the settings here for the plan set, how the plan set function. You can all change here. Then there is reports bar. All the takeoffs that we will perform on drawings will show up here in the Excel format. You can export that Excel format to your desktop and use that also. So that's it from third tutorial. In this tutorial, we learned about the functionality of different commands of PlanSwift. This was just an overview. In the upcoming tutorials, we will learn in detail how to use these commands effectively. So stay connected and keep up with us for future tutorials, and you will learn electrical estimation in detail. Thank you.